Welcome to Priya's Max Note. In this session, we are going to see only three problems, example problems, and without wasting time, let us go to the problems. Example 6, page number 185, trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. And in the last videos, we have seen the tabular column for sine theta, sine, cos, tan, for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And what is the value for sine 0 degree? It is 0. Always it starts from 0. And sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is 1. And cos is nothing but reverse of sine. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. And tan 0 degree is 0. And tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. And tan 45 degree is 1. And tan 60 degree is root 3. And tan 90 degree is infinity. Okay. This is the tabular column which we have seen in the previous video, and we are going to use this tabular column repeatedly in the following upcoming problems. Okay, and what is given in this problem? Given a triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, and given a side AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Okay, and what we have to find? What we have to find is the side BC and AC. Okay, okay. What is given? Given a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle ABC, which is perpendicular at B. Okay, right angled triangle ABC, which is perpendicular at B. And angle C is 30 degree. What we have to find? We have to find BC and AC, and AB value is given as 5 centimeter. Okay, and we know that sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, we are going to use this two trigonometric ratios to find the other two sides BC and AC. Okay, here angle 30 is given, so sine 30 degree is opposite side of 30 degree is 5 centimeter by hypotenuse AC. Okay, therefore what is sine 30 degree? What is sine 30 degree? It is 1 by 2 from the tabular column. 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by AC. Therefore AC is equal to 10, and you must write the unit without fail, or else you will get reduced by 1 mark. Therefore you should always remember to write the unit. Okay, AC is equal to 10 centimeter. We found AC. And in order to find BC, we are going to use tan theta. Okay. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side? Phi. And adjacent side is BC. Okay, what is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 from tabular column. Okay, you have to memorize the tabular column in order to solve this type of problems. Okay, it is very simple to memorize the tabular column. You have to create a chart and paste it before your bed. Okay, every time you awake from bed, you have to go through the chart so that you can easily by heart the values. You can directly by heart this value. These values you are going to use in the upcoming problem. So you have to um, put a little work to by heart this values. Okay, tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 5 by BC, which implies BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. You have to always remember to write the unit at the end of the solution in order to gain full mark. Okay, and we have found BC value and AC value, hence the result. Okay, let us solve example number 7. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q. Triangle PQR, right angled at Q. Right angled at Q. PQ is equal to 3 centimeter and PR is equal to 6 centimeter. We have to find the angle QPR, angle QPR, and we have to find angle PRQ. Okay, what is given? Given the sides PQ and PR. PQ value is 3 centimeter and PR value is 6 centimeter. And what we have to find? We have to find angle QPR and angle PRQ. And let us go to the solution. Here we are going to use sin R formula. Sin R is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse, and opposite side value is 3 and hypotenuse value is 6. Therefore 1 by 2, which implies sin R is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore implies R is equal to sin inverse of 1 by 2. What is the value of sin inverse of 1 by 2? From tabular column, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, right? Therefore sin inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Okay, therefore sin inverse of 1 by 2 is 30 degree. 30 degree. R is equal to 30 degree. And here we are going to use a property. Okay, from triangle addition theorem, sum of the angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Here the angles are angle of P plus angle of Q plus angle of R is always equal to 180 degree. We know that angle P, we doesn't know angle P. We know that angle Q is 90 degree and angle R is 30 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle P is equal to 180 minus 120, which is nothing but 60 degree. Okay, angle P is 60 degree. Angle R is 30 degree and angle P is 60 degree. Therefore, we have found angle QPR and angle PRQ. Hence the result. Hence the solution. Now, example 8. If sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, and if A plus B ranges from 0 degree to 90 degree and A greater than B, find A and B. This is the question. And exercise 8.2 third problem is also a similar type of question. So we are going to do this both the problems simultaneously. And now let us go to example 8. What is given in the question? Given sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and what we have to find? We have to find angle A and B. Okay, and what from the given equation, sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, which implies A minus B is equal to sin inverse of 1 by 2. What is sin inverse of 1 by 2? See the tabular column here. Where 1 by 2 is there? It is directly pointing to the 30 degree. Yes. Therefore, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, which implies sin inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 30 degree. And from the given question, cos A plus B, from the given data from the question, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, which implies A plus B is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. What is cos inverse of 1 by 2? See the tabular column here. 1 by 2 comes under 60 degree. Therefore, cos inverse cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, which implies 60 degree is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. Right. Now substitute cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 60 degree in the given sum. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Now mark this equation as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 30 degree. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Add both of them. Minus B cancel out. Therefore, 2A is equal to 90 degree and A is equal to 45 degree. Now substitute this equation 3. A is equal to 45 degree in 2. Substitute 3 in 2. Therefore, AB is equal to 60 minus 45 degree, which is equal to 15. B is equal to 15 degree. Okay. Hence the result. Hence the result. Okay. Now, the third problem in exercise 8.2 is also a similar type of problem, and we are going to. Okay, let us go to the problem. And if tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, and if A plus B ranges from 0 to 90 degree and A greater than B, find A and B, which is the question. And now we can solve the problem. What is given in the question? What is given? Given tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find a and b. Okay, now let us solve the equation. What is given? Tan a plus b is equal to root 3, which implies a plus b is equal to tan inverse of root 3. Now see the tabular column where it is root 3 in tan a. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. See here, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, which implies 60 degree is equal to tan inverse of root 3. Okay, therefore substitute tan inverse of root 3 as 60 degree. Therefore a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Now what other data given in the question? Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, and which implies a minus b is equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. And now see the tabular column where 1 by root 3 is there. It is nothing but tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, which implies 30 degree is equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Now substitute tan inverse of 1 by root 3 as 30 degree. Therefore a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now add equation number 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. A plus b is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Add both the equation. B cancel it down. Therefore 2a is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 45 degree. Mark it as equation number 3. Substitute equation number 3 in 2. Therefore b is equal to minus b is equal to 30 minus 45 degree. Therefore b is equal to 15 degree. Hence the result. I hope you have understood the concept, and please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please share it to your friends. Thank you friends. Thank you once again.